how to compare two or more fractions. Two or more fractions. जैसे you see here, suppose this is 7 by 12 है और ये suppose your 8 by 15 है. Suppose we want to compare these two fractions. How in these two fractions, which is greater? Which is greater? How we will know? Actually, the simple trick is. As I am doing, you can do like this. जैसे यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर मैंने एरो मार्क दिया, यहाँ पर मैंने अभी इसको एरो मार्क दिया 15 into 7. How much? 15 into 7. You have to multiply. It is coming 105. You say 12 into 8. If you will multiply 12 into 8, it is coming 96. Now you see between 105 and 96, which is greater? 105 is greater, and 105 is at the top of the 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is greater than 8 by 15. 8 by 15. This is the one process to know between two fractions which is greater. Which is greater. There is also another method to compare these two fractions. Suppose 7 by 12, second method, and 8 by 15. So, in order to know which is greater and which is smaller, first you have to take the LCM of 12 and 15. First you have to take the LCM of 12 and 15. They get 12 और 15 का LCM 3, 4, 5. So LCM कितना आया? 3 into 4 into 5. 3 into 4 into 5. LCM 60 आया. तो now both fraction का डिनोमिनेटर को हमको 60 बनाना है. डिनोमिनेटर कितना बनाना है? We have to make the denominator of both the fraction 60. Now you see, if I will divide 60 by 12, it is coming 5. So I will multiply 5 to both the numerator and denominator, and it is coming 30 by 60. It is coming 35 by 60. यहाँ पर देखो 60 को मैंने 15 में डिवाइड करना है, तो it is coming 4. So I will multiply 4 to both the numerator and the denominator. It is coming 32 by 60. 32 by 60. अभी यहाँ पर सुनो बात है, यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर मतलब डिवाइड, डिनोमिनेटर मतलब डिवाइड. लिसन बात है, यहाँ पर 60 बचे हैं, यहाँ पर भी 60 बचे हैं. 60 बचे तो यहाँ पर 35 लड्डू दिया गया बांटने के लिए आपस में, और यहाँ पर 60 बच्चों को 32 लड्डू दिया गया बांटने के लिए. तो कौन ग्रुप का यहाँ हिस्सा बड़ा होगा कि यहाँ पर हिस्सा बड़ा होगा? यहाँ पर हिस्सा बड़ा होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर 35 लड्डू को 60 बच्चे आपस में बांट रहे हैं, यहाँ पर 32 लड्डू को 60 बच्चे बांट रहे हैं. जरूर in this case the share of each one will be more. So यहाँ पर 35 by 60, 35 by 60 is greater than 32 by 60. 32 by 60, but 35 by 60 it is for 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Yes, therefore 7 by 12 is greater than 8 by 15. Okay, this is the second method, but this is the shortest method. In this way also you can compare two fractions. But in this method we cannot compare more than two fractions. More than two fractions. But by this method we can compare any number of fractions. Any number of fractions. Okay.